Guys, this is Jagdish Kumar Verma, and I'm uploading and blogging the video on a very diverse subject. So today I'm going to show you the how to prepare and a medical kit for home, like a first aid kit for home, because sometime your sisters, your parents are staying home and you go out, you are in office, maybe you are in night shift. So if some emergency come, then they should you should have some kind of a first aid to they can use that one, and after that they can call the doctor. There is many occasion where you need medicine, like fever medicine, maybe you can use Nemosclad paracetamol, you can go for ofloxacin or inidazole, you can ondansetron you can use, and there are a lot more primary medicine people keep in home. So if they get a fever, they get a loose motion, maybe you can we have let me show you this is the cotton, this is the AC log. If people get kind of acidity, they can use AC log. This is the omeprazole. This is for also gastric problem people if you have. So this tablet is very useful when people take one in the morning before food. So if they have the gastric problem, but always consult with the doctor, because maybe you are allergic with the tablet. So you can see I have two cotton that we got two bandages, and this tablet I don't know, someone taken this one. This is the tube, Cipladine tube, and this is also. So one time I got accidented with bike, so on that time I got so many things. So this is the primary things I kept. You can see here, this is also there. So this is the ofloxacin or indazole. So this is the I think I have to replace this one. So this is the for cough and all. So primary things are there. These people should as per their understanding, and they could have they can consult with the doctor or the pharmacist and ask them to prepare the medical box. Why when I first time ask medical guy, even pharmacist, to give me the prepare a medical box. So they given me this box around 600 to 700 rupees, like that. But this is very useful if you are your family members are alone in home, or you are going for a job and all. This medical box very useful. People should prepare one medical box in their house, in their home, in their room, wherever you are. You should keep ready one medical box. Not for maybe you will not use it in a 6 month, in a 1 year, but what if some emergency come, then it will be very useful, going to be very useful. Thank you. This is Jagdish.